Hi guys, my name is Kayla MiChele and I'm excited to share with you how I typically cut my hair. Today I'm actually on set during lunch break, so I found 5 minutes to go ahead and give myself a trim and also blend in some layers from my own hair length into the hair extensions that were recently added to my hair. I'm using a razor. I feel like whenever you use a razor, it allows your hair to have more hold, gives the hair a little more texture, and it's also an effortless way to cut your own hair compared to a shear. I'm using the comb to just detangle the hair on both sides and basically just adding some layers with the razor very organically. I like to move the hair around a lot to be able to see how it looks whenever it's moving and really evaluate from there whether or not it needs a little more texture or a little more blending of layers in different areas. Still connecting some layers in between. Now the hard part is matching the other side. I love to cut on dry hair. I feel like you really get a better idea of what the hair will actually look like whenever you're cutting on dry hair versus wet hair. I naturally typically wear my hair very textured and messy. That's why this look works where I can get away with cutting my own hair. If I was to flat iron it pinned straight every day, you would see the imperfections of giving a self-made haircut. But it works with my texture. To finish, I'm using some of the Orbe spray. Thanks for watching.